All right, here we go, guys. This is PYT 261. You guys can guess the player on the last auto for 20 in credit. 10 packs, 5 cards per pack, 1 auto, 1 MEM per box. Good luck to everybody in this break. Box. Ten packs, again 5 cards per pack. Should have 1 auto, 1 MEM. We got the Shining Stars, Deron Bland for the Cowboys. Brock Purdy. Christian McCaffrey, Ricky Pearsall rookie, and George Kittle. Roger Staubach, Joe Montana, Dallas Turner. There's a Hollow Heroes of Justin Herbert. Nice hit on those. Those are rare, the Hollow Heroes. To the Chargers spot. Nice hit for the Chargers. A cool card there for the Chargers spot. Then we have Carson Steele. J.J. McCarthy rookie. Kyler Murray, James Conner, Marvin Harrison. And out of 75, 67 out of 75. Got Najee Harris. Going to Pittsburgh. Get those guesses in for the player on the last auto for 20 in credit. We got one guess so far, and that is Kobe Turner. Zeke Elliott. Dak Prescott. Bo Nix. Cortland Sutton. And Trevor Lawrence on the Shining Stars. Joe Burrow, Jamar Chase, Trey Hendrickson, CeeDee Lamb, and another Trevor Lawrence Shining Stars. There's Xavier Legette rookie, Caleb Williams rookie, Roma Dunze rookie, and DJ Moore. Game Magicians, that is Brock Purdy. Still should have our MEM, and we still should have 1 auto left. Oh, Dallas Turner, yeah, Dallas Turner, sorry. Derrick Henry, Kyle Hamilton, Bryce Young, Adam Thielen, and Deron Bland. Next pack. We got 3 packs left after this one. Man, it looks like it's coming up. That is Kenneth Walker, Geno Smith, DK Metcalf. Great Expectations, 4-color MEM right there is Antonio Gibson. That's out of 70, or Antonio Gates out of 75. 5 out of 75 for the Chargers. And the Shining Stars, Christian McCaffrey. We got 3 packs left. Up next after this is our certified football PYT 277. So if you're waiting on that one, that is coming up after this. Don't forget, guys, grab your spots in the upcoming breaks. We do have spots available. There's Michael Penix, Bijan, Kirk Cousins, Lamar Jackson, and Illusionist Jaden Daniels. One is not numbered, but it is the cracked ice. It's a nice one for Washington. Looks like our auto is coming up. Will Levis, Tajay Spears, Calvin Ridley. First impressions, Trey Benson. On the MEM auto out of 299, 149 out of 299, Trey Benson. We got a little dinged up corner here. That's the amazing Trevor Lawrence. Double check to make sure that Lawrence was not numbered. Trey Benson was the guess of this break for the auto. That was just the base. And our final pack before we go to certified football. As Saquon for the Eagles. TJ Watt. Russell Wilson. Najee Harris. Shining Stars Roma Dunze for the Bears. Let's do our recap, and we'll move on to that certified break. We had the Illusionist. Jaden Daniels. Out of 75, Najee Harris for Pittsburgh. The Hollow Heroes for the Chargers spot. That is Justin Herbert. The 4-color patch right there. You got the navy blue, yellow, baby blue, and white. Out of 75, Antonio Gates. Trey Benson was out of 299 on the first impressions rookie auto. That's going to do it for this one. Certified PYT 277 is coming up next. Okay, guys, we did have spots available for some of the later breaks tonight. Grab those last remaining spots. Let's get those filled. Let's update our title. We got our list pulled up. Get your guesses in for the player on the last auto in this one. Why does my camera keep